Hi there, you may be wondering why you're seeing this right here. And I thought I would take you along while cooking a vegetarian Christmas dinner because Christmas dinners, I feel like traditionally they're always stuffed duck, stuffed goose, and maybe for people from the UK or maybe other places too, it's like also stuffed turkey and stuff like that. Stuffed turkey and stuff. Yeah. So as a vegetarian, it's always like, I don't know, you really want that really amazing, awesome, special Christmas dinner, but your options seem so limited. So this year I thought I'd try something out um, with vegetarian meat. So yeah, join me, Fraser. Join me in this experiment. And the first thing I did was chop up some what's the name of these? Parsnips, not parsley. Obviously small carrots and Brussels sprouts.